Here I've got BLUBOO Xtouch, and let me show you how to reset DRM on the following device. So at the very beginning you have to open the settings, then scroll down, find and select backup and reset, and here under personal data you will notice DRM reset. So just click on it, click one more time on the DRM reset icon, and now you can confirm that you truly want to do it, because this operation cannot be undone and it will delete all the licenses on your BLUBOO Xtouch. So if you truly want to do it, if you truly want to reset them, click on OK. And that's it. As you can see, licenses have been deleted successfully. So this is how you are resetting the DRM. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.